Seconds to go. Start. I am here to welcome you all to this conference, which is the first of its kind. Stop. We have here many representatives from a large number of Asian countries, eminent demographers and experts from various other countries. Stop. The subjects you are going to tackle are of high importance to all of us, indeed to the world at large, but more particularly to Asia. Stop. We are looking forward to this conference and the advice that all of you may give, so that we can tackle these problems effectively. Stop. Our country has gone in for planning for economic and social growth. Stop. But it is obvious that planning depends on whom you plan for, how many people you plan for. Stop. Unless we have a fair idea of the population of a country as it is going to be, it is difficult to plan. Stop. Population growth becomes highly important not only for planning but for the social well-being of the country. Stop. Para. We in India have been trying to tackle this problem as best as we could. Stop. I confess that we have not succeeded remarkably, and the growth of population in this big country is rather alarming. Stop. It is not merely a question of providing food for a growing population, although that is a primary consideration, but generally, it is a question of providing the means for a good life, a healthy life, for all the people who live in the country. Stop. We have thus to face a kind of race between the rate of economic growth and the rate at which population grows. Stop. Obviously, unless there is marked difference between the two, there won't be much economic growth. Stop. As population grows, it rather overwhelms the efforts we make towards economic growth. Stop. However, much we may try, as we do try, to increase the pace of economic growth, the fact of population growing even at a reduced pace comes in the way of any marked improvement. Stop. Para. I would like to congratulate the E-Cafe and the associate organizations who have convened this conference. Stop. The E-Cafe has recently held a very successful conference here. Stop. I think, to discuss economic and trade matters. Stop. This brought together representatives of various countries in Asia and made them view the problems of this region in an integrated way. Stop. I believe very good work has been done and I congratulate the authorities. Stop. Para. Although we are primarily concerned with food production, there are many other things which affect us as population growth goes on. Stop. Immediately, there is the question of schools, health measures and housing facilities which have all to be increased very rapidly. Stop. Para. Friends, our guests from Japan at this event know my personal connection with Japan. Stop. The affection of the people of Japan, their work culture, skills and discipline has always been influencing. Stop. And that is why whenever I have said I wanted to create mini Japan in Gujarat, the main idea behind it has been that whenever the people of Japan come to Gujarat, they should find the same warmth and belongingness. Stop. I remember that Japan had joined as a partner country with the vibrant Gujarat summit from the very beginning. Stop. Even today, the largest delegation that comes to the vibrant Gujarat summit is from Japan. Stop. It is gratifying to see the confidence that Japan has reposed on Gujarat and the potential of its people. Stop. Para. Today, the best of Japanese companies are operating in Gujarat. Stop. I have been told that their number is more than about 135. Stop. Japanese companies have set up their bases in Gujarat in every sector from automobiles to banking, from construction to pharmaceutical. Stop. Be it Suzuki Motors, Honda Motorcycle, Mitsubishi, Toyota, Hitachi, many such companies are manufacturing in Gujarat. Stop. And one good thing is that these companies are also helping a lot in the skill development of the youth of Gujarat. Stop. 3 Japan India Institutes for Manufacturing are providing skill training to hundreds of youth of Gujarat every year. Stop. Many companies also have tie-ups with technical universities and ITIs of Gujarat. Stop. Para. Friends, there is so much to talk about the relations between Japan and Gujarat that time will run out. Stop. These relationships are strengthened by intimacy, affection, and understanding each other's feelings and requirements. Stop. Gujarat has always given special importance to Japan. Stop. Jethro, which has opened the Ahmedabad Business Sports Center, has the facility to provide plug and play workspace to 5 companies simultaneously. Stop. Many Japanese companies have taken advantage of this. Stop. When I recall the old days, I find that the people of Gujarat have paid attention to even the smallest details. Stop. I remember a topic came up informally. Once I was discussing something with a delegation of Japan as chief minister. Stop. This topic was very interesting. Stop. People of Japan love to play golf, but golf courses were not prevalent in Gujarat then. Stop. After that meeting, special efforts were made to expand golf courses in Gujarat. Stop. I am happy that there are many golf courses in Gujarat now. Stop. There are also many restaurants whose specialty is Japanese food. Stop. An effort has been made to make the people of Japan feel at home in Gujarat. Stop. We also worked a lot so that there is an increase in the number of Japanese speakers in Gujarat. Stop. Today, there are many people in the professional world of Gujarat who speak Japanese comfortably. Stop. I am told that a university in the state is also going to start a course to teach Japanese. Stop. It would be a good beginning. Stop. I would also like to have a model of the Japanese school system in Gujarat. Stop. Para. I have been a huge fan of Japan's school system, which emphasizes modernity and moral values simultaneously. Stop. I had the opportunity to visit Taimai school in Japan, and those moments are very memorable. Stop. I can say that it was a precious opportunity for me while talking to the children of that school. Stop. Para. Friends, we also have a strong belief in centuries old cultural ties and a common vision for the future. Stop. Based on this, we have been continuously strengthening our special strategic and global partnership over the years. Stop. For this, we have also made a special arrangement of Japan Plus in the PMO. Stop. India-Japan relations gained a new impetus when the former Prime Minister of Japan and my friend Mr. Shinzo Abe visited Gujarat. Stop. He was very excited when the bullet train project started. Stop. Even today, when I talk to him, he vividly recalls his Gujarat tour. Stop. The current Prime Minister of Japan, Mr. Yoshihide Suga, is also a very amiable person. Stop. PM Suga, and I believe that the friendship between India and Japan has become more relevant to our partnership, global stability and prosperity in this COVID pandemic era. Stop. At a time when we are faced with so many global challenges, it is the need of the hour that our friendship and relationship grows in strength. Stop. Of course, effort like Kaizen Academy is a beautiful reflection of that. Stop.